Today we're showing you a 2004 John Deere 5320 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has the Deluxe IOOS platform operator station. This tractor is a consigned tractor. It has approximately 3,800 hours on it. Current hour meter reads just under 790. The tractor's hour meter was replaced around 3,000 hours, so the tractor has just under 3,800 hours on it. Has 64 horsepower. It is a 3-cylinder John Deere diesel that is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. It's got a couple chips in the hood up front there, but overall, for the age and hours, it's in very nice shape cosmetically. Mechanically, the tractor starts, runs, and works just like it should. There are no known issues with the tractor. It does have the power reversal transmission. You can shift the cord to reverse without clutching. It's the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And again, it's the Deluxe platform station for the operator. Full suspension seat, four-wheel drive engagement and Pto Engagement Lever to the left of the seat. To the right, you've got your 2 transmission sticks. You got 3 ranges and 4 gears. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Control console, you've got your 3-point and hydraulic levers. Also have your loader control over there to the right. Got extra work lights on the side there. Foldable Rollover Bar. 16.9 28 rear tires are in real nice shape. 540 PTO. Dual rear hydraulics back here. A couple scuffs in the fenders back here. But overall, again, this tractor is in very nice shape. And again, approximately 3,800 hours on it. This is a consigned unit. All our consigned units sell as is. And again, there are no known mechanical issues, but the tractor will sell as it sits.